Welcome to Quick 5. Today we're sharing 5 quick tips to explore Europe on a budget. Whether you're a solo traveler or exploring with friends, these tips will help you make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. Europe doesn't have to be a budget buster. With a little savvy planning and an adventurous spirit, you can experience the magic of Europe without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. My first tip for stretching your euros further is to travel during the off-season. Now I know what you're thinking, but Rick, summer in Europe is iconic. And you're right, it is. But it's also when everyone else is thinking the same thing. Prices for flights and accommodations skyrocket during those peak summer months and around the Christmas holidays. Instead, consider shifting your trip to the shoulder seasons. Spring and fall in Europe are simply magical. Imagine strolling through blooming tulip fields in the Netherlands or hiking through vibrant autumn forests in Germany, all without the summertime crowds. Not only will you find cheaper flights and lower hotel rates, but you'll also encounter a more authentic side of Europe. Imagine cozying up in a local pub in Ireland on a crisp autumn evening, or enjoying a leisurely lunch on a sun-drenched piazza in Italy without the usual throngs of tourists. And don't even get me started on the joys of winter in Europe. Picture yourself sipping hot chocolate at a Christmas market in Vienna or gliding along the canals of Amsterdam on ice skates. Winter offers a whole different kind of magic, and it often comes with even better deals on travel and accommodation. So be adventurous and embrace the off-season. You'll be rewarded with smaller crowds, lower prices, and a more intimate experience of Europe's charm. Europe is a wonderland for budget travelers, thanks in part to its fantastic network of low-cost airlines. Ryanair, EasyJet, Wizz Air. These airlines are your ticket to affordable flights across the continent. We're talking flights for as little as $20. Sure, there might be a few less frills, but the savings can be significant, freeing up more of your budget for exploring. But hold on, Europe isn't just about getting from point A to point B as cheaply as possible. It's about savoring the journey, and that's where train travel comes in. Consider investing in a Eurail or Interrail pass, especially if you plan on visiting multiple countries. Picture yourself gliding through the picturesque English countryside, watching rolling hills and charming villages whiz by. Or imagine the thrill of speeding through the heart of the Swiss Alps, snow-capped peaks towering above. Train travel allows you to soak in the scenery, connect with fellow travelers, and arrive right in the heart of vibrant cities. And here's a little insider tip: overnight train journeys can be a real adventure. You save on a night's accommodation and wake up refreshed and ready to explore a new destination. Just imagine the romance of drifting off to sleep to the rhythm of the rails and waking up to a fresh croissant and a stunning sunrise over the French countryside. Now let's talk about where to rest your weary head after a long day of exploring. Forget those stuffy, overpriced hotels. Europe offers a plethora of budget-friendly accommodation options that won't break the bank. Hostels, my friends, are not just for backpackers. They've come a long way, offering everything from basic dorm rooms to private ensuite rooms, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional hotels. Plus, hostels are fantastic places to meet like-minded travelers from around the world. Share stories over a communal breakfast, swap travel tips, and maybe even find a new travel buddy. If you prefer a bit more privacy or are traveling with family or a group, websites like Airbnb and Booking.com are your new best friends. You can find charming apartments, cozy guest houses, and even unique stays like renovated windmills or houseboats, often at a fraction of the cost of hotels. And the best part, many of these options come with kitchens, allowing you to prepare some of your own meals and save even more money. Imagine starting your day with a fresh croissant from the local bakery and enjoying a simple pasta dinner made with ingredients from the neighborhood market. It's all part of the adventure. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its food, and Europe is a culinary paradise. But you don't need to shell out big bucks at fancy restaurants to savor authentic flavors. In fact, some of the most memorable meals you'll have will be far from the tourist traps. Venture into local markets where you can find fresh produce, regional specialties, and delicious street food. Imagine biting into a warm, crusty baguette piled high with savory meats and cheeses from a Parisian market, or savoring the sweet and tangy flavors of a traditional Polish pierogi from a street vendor in Krakow. Seek out small, family-run restaurants tucked away on side streets. These hidden gems are where locals go for their daily dose of deliciousness, and they often offer incredible value for money. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the owners or staff. They're usually passionate about their food and eager to share their culinary heritage with you. And here's a tip: lunch specials are your friend. Many restaurants offer set menus at lunchtime that are significantly cheaper than ordering à la carte in the evening. It's a great way to sample local delicacies without breaking the bank. All right, let's talk about maximizing your fun while minimizing your spending. Europe is brimming with incredible free activities, from world-class museums to stunning parks and gardens. Many cities offer free walking tours, led by passionate locals who are eager to share their city's history, secrets, and hidden gems. Just remember to tip your guide generously. Take advantage of free admission days at museums and attractions. Many offer free entry on certain days of the week or month. Do your research in advance and plan your itinerary accordingly. You'll be surprised how much you can see and do without spending a dime. And if you plan on visiting multiple attractions, consider investing in a city pass. Passes like the Paris Pass or the Rome City Pass offer discounted or free entry to top sites, as well as perks like skip-the-line access and unlimited public transportation. They can save you both time and money, especially if you're planning on packing a lot into your trip. But remember, some of the best experiences in life are free. Take the time to wander through charming neighborhoods, soak in the atmosphere of local cafes, and simply enjoy the art of getting lost in a new city. That's it for today's Quick 5. Exploring Europe on a budget is totally possible with the right planning and a sense of adventure. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, but about the experiences you create and the memories you make. Have you tried any of these tips, or do you have your own budget travel secrets to share? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow travelers, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, safe travels.